Good day, everyone. I'm James Gisir from Kilio, and I'm in grade 9 at FMS Online. As we move on from 2025 into 2026, I wanted to take a step back and really think about how this year went. Not just the highlights, but the things that truly mattered. Instead of rushing into new goals right away, I think it's important to reflect first. So, in this video, I'll talk about what I'm grateful for in 2025 and what I hope to work on and achieve in 2026. The first thing that I'm truly grateful for is my family. They've been my constant support system throughout the year. Whether I was stressed, tired, or unsure of myself, my family was always there, sometimes by giving advice, and sometimes just by being present. Having people who believe in you even when you're still figuring things out is something I don't take lightly. Another thing I'm thankful for is my friends. My friends played a big role in making 2025 memorable. They were there for the fun moments, but also during times when things felt overwhelming. Through conversations, laughter, and shared interests like music and creativity, they reminded me that support doesn't always come in big gestures. Sometimes it's just showing up. I'm also grateful for the blessings and privileges I have in life. I'm fortunate to have access to education, a safe environment, and opportunities to explore my passions. Not everyone gets these chances, and recognizing that has helped me become more aware and appreciative. These privileges motivate me to work harder and make the most out of what I've been given. As I look ahead to 2026, I have a few goals that I want to focus on, not just for success, but for personal growth. One of my main goals is improving my body physique and overall health. This year taught me that health isn't just about how you look, it's about how you feel and function every day. In 2026, I want to build better habits, stay active, and take care of my body so I can have more energy and confidence in my daily life. Another goal is creating a strong spiritual and school learning routine. I want to be more consistent and disciplined with my time. That means balancing school responsibilities while also making space for spiritual growth. Having a routine will help me stay focused, grounded, and more intentional with how I live each day. Lastly, I want to enhance my photography and music skills. These creative outlets allow me to express myself in ways words sometimes can't. In 2026, I hope to practice more, learn new techniques, and challenge myself creatively. Whether it's through photos or music, I want to continue improving while enjoying the process of learning. To end this reflection, I'm grateful for everything 2025 has taught me, both the good moments and the challenges. As I move into 2026, my goal isn't perfection, but progress. By appreciating what I have and staying committed to my goals, I hope to grow into a better version of myself this coming year. Thank you for listening.